what's up you guys, it's Emma, I'm back. Stop! I can't. Hey, what's up you guys, it's Emma, I'm back with another video, and today I have my boyfriend with me, James.
Hi.
Hi. This is his first time on camera. I'm really nervous because I never talked in front of him, but he is gonna do my makeup today, and he's never watched any of my videos, so he probably has no idea. I've set out an array of makeup for him to choose from. He has one help that he can ask me, but otherwise he is on his own, and I've basically laid everything out for him, not in order. Okay, let's get into it. So I've already moisturized, so he doesn't have to do that, but floor is yours now. Whatever you want to do. Oh, let me put my thing on first. I'm so shook at the amount that you do not watch.
I know you use this stuff all the time.
What is it?
Foundation.
Wow! So impressed. Okay.
And then you dab it, right? I've seen you do that, that's what I want.
I hope you wash your hands good.
Gross. Black.
Yeah. Oh my god. Got it up my nose. By the way, I don't have a mirror sitting here, so I can't really see, but I can still see in the viewfinder. But it's far away and I'm blind, so. Does it smell like it?
What did you do with it?
I don't know if I would use your help this early in the video. What do you think that is? Why are you sniffing everything? Like the sniff is gonna tell you.
Is that it?
It is. Good job.
Ooh.
Not the brush. I should rewash all of these.
No, it's true. I already don't like it.
Okay. You're just gonna do one side and not do the other.
You just spit on these. I did a lot more now on that side. I'm good.
Okay, read it and show them.
Pro Conceal, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So what are you gonna do with that?
Put it on your face.
Okay, you're actually trying here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You open it.
Childproof. Alright, can't get it open, so we're not using it.
Ooh. Ooh, I like this.
Okay.
Hold still.
I'm sorry.
This is where it goes.
Alright, so tell everybody what you were using because...
Oh.
This is too... Okay, he was using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. Okay, where are you putting it?
Chin. Does it go there?
I don't think you're trying.
What do you want me to do? I literally have no idea what any of this stuff is.
Like maybe if you would read the products. You can read them, look on the bottoms and stuff. It might give you a hint.
Eyebrow. It's an eyebrow brush. I didn't do a very good job. Found it.
Okay, so where do you think that goes?
Cheek. I think this is an important step though.
If you want to use your help, you can.
Yeah, I'll use it.
So concealer goes underneath your eyes to conceal dark spots.
nailed it. That was a good time to use my helper.
Yeah, because you put some dark ass shit under there.
That's good, babe. Do you dab it?
You used your help, buddy. You do what feels right.
I'm gonna dab.
Okay. Ow.
Sorry. This is so easy. I hope you look good.
Read it to them.
Studio Fix.
Good job.
Bronzer.
What is it called?
Hola.
Hula.
Hula. Oh my god. Why is it so dark? You actually use this? Wait.
I'm not telling you.
There's no way this can go anywhere normal. I thought I was doing good till now. It's ridiculous. Yeah, that's enough of that.
Okay. So you can pick your eyeshadow palette that you want to use. This is the progress so far. You know, from what I can see, it actually doesn't look that bad. So I'm giving him the option of the Naked Smoky, a personal palette that I made from NYX, Modern Renaissance, my fave, or the Sephora Pro.
Okay, we'll go bright colors.
So James chose the Sephora Pro palette, yep. Oh, I just showed my super messy dad boobs. The Sephora Pro and my personal NYX palette. So we're going full color today. Let's see.
Okie.
So what color are you dipping into?
Purple.
Oh, same brush into another color.
Oh, that's so bad. It looks like I give you a black eye. It's there to stay now. I'll just try and make the other eye better. Ooh, it's not working. I really screwed that up. That's going so good.
Going into a pink now?
Ooh. If you look like this every day, I'm gonna shoot myself.
Don't make me laugh.
You're not gonna want to see this. That was your fault. You move.
My fault?
Okay, I think it's a good combo we got going on now.
Okay.
I want to do that line thing we always do.
Eyeliner?
Is this thing?
No, I'll get one. I'll get some for you and you can pick. Okay, I have 3 that you can pick from. And that's it for eyeshadow? That's all you're doing?
Stop laughing.
I'm sorry. Oh, my face so weird. How do they look?
2 thumbs up.
Okay. What next?
Your eyelids. Your eyelashes.
Okay. Right in.
Do you do the bottom one too, or just the top? Bottom? Bottom first. Open your eye.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm ready. Sorry, I had to laugh.
Oh, I put a pink glob on your eye. Is it in your eye?
No.
No, it's really bad. A few minor mistakes, but it's big.
Right. Okay.
No, lipstick.
Oh, in that drawer. You like that color, right?
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard. Watch out.
I got a lot over on that side. What happened?
Are you finished?
I'd take you on a date.
Wow, you're gonna spray my face.
It's gonna be fun. Done.
Perfect. How do you think you did?
Okay.
Wow. Oh, what is that in the corner?
Oh, that was when I had my accident in the corner.
Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad. So I think out of 10, how well do you think you did?
How well did I do?
Yeah, how do you think you did?
8.
It's very generous of yourself. I would give it... I give it a 5.
What?
Okay, so this is the look that James created. He gave it an 8 out of 10. I gave it a 5. Let me know what you think it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like and a comment if you want to see James in more videos. Yay! Because I think that he like secretly enjoyed this and would want to do it again. So I think that he will be back sooner rather than later. Yeah. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.